All of you, good morning. In this video we are going to discuss plus 2 chemistry lesson number 12, carbonyl compounds and carboxylic acids. This lesson, derivatives of carboxylic acids, naming of acid chloride and preparation and properties of acetyl chloride. Before entering this video, subscribe this channel. Organic compound derived from carboxylic acid is called as a derivatives of carboxylic acid because these compounds are derived from carboxylic acid. General formula for carboxylic acid is a RCOOH. OH is a alcoholic group, CO is a carbonyl group. So OH is replaced by Cl. Resulting compound is a acid chloride. Acid chlorides. General formula for acid chloride is a RC double bond O Cl. General formula for acid chloride is a RCOCl. Example for acid chloride is CH3COCl. Name of this compound is a acetyl chloride. If OH group is replaced by NH2 group, the resulting compound is a acid amide. Acid amides. General formula of acid amide is a RCONH2. One of the example for acid amide is a acetamide. CH3CONH2. Name of this compound is a acetamide. In the carboxylic acid, OH is replaced by OR group. Resulting compound is a ester. General formula for ester is RC double bond O R dash. R and R dash are alkyl group. One of the example for ester is a CH3 COO CH2 CH3. Name of this compound is a ethyl acetate ester. Ethyl acetate. In the carboxylic acid, OH group is replaced by OOCR group. OOCR group. Resulting compound is a acid anhydride. General formula for acid anhydride is a RC double bond O C double bond O R. R is a alkyl group. One of the example for acid anhydride is a acetic anhydride. CH3COOCH3. Name of this compound is a acid anhydride. Acetic ACE. Acetic anhydride. Reactivity order of acid derivative is a RCOCl. Acid chloride is more reactive than RCOOCOR. This is acid anhydride and then is a ester RCOO R dash, and least reactivity is a acid amide RCONH2. Acid halides. Organic compound having general formula RCOX is called as a acid halide. This video we are going to discuss acid chloride. General formula for acid chloride is a RCOCl. R is a alkyl group. CO is a carbonyl group. First example, CH3COCl. Common name of this compound is a acetyl chloride. Acetyl chloride. Next one is a CH3CH2COCl. General name of this compound is a propionyl chloride. propionyl chloride. Last one, C6H5COCl, benzoyl chloride. Benzoyl chloride. IUPAC name of acid chloride is ended with oil chloride. So 2 carbon is present. So name of this compound is a ethanoyl chloride. Ethanoyl chloride. 3 carbon is present. So propane oil chloride. IUPAC name of this compound is a benzoyl chloride. C6H5COCl, common name and IUPAC name is same, benzoyl chloride. CH3COCl, acetyl chloride. CH3CH2COCl, propionyl chloride. IUPAC name of acetyl chloride is a ethanoyl chloride. IUPAC name of propionyl chloride is a propionyl chloride. Next one is a preparation of acetyl chloride. Next one is a preparation of acetyl chloride. Carboxylic acid or COOH is react with a chlorinating agent like PCl5 or PCl3 or SOCl2 to form a acid chloride or COCl. Or COCl is a general formula for acid chloride. One specific example, CH3COOH is a acetic acid. Acetic acid is react with one of the chlorinating agent SOCl2 thionyl chloride to form a acetyl chloride CH3COCl. Name of this compound is a acetyl chloride. This is acetic acid. Next one is a chemical properties of acetyl chloride. First one, hydrolysis. Acid chloride on hydrolysis to form a acid CH3COCl. This is acid chloride. React with water, that means undergo hydrolysis to form a carboxylic acid or COOH. This is carboxylic acid and hydrochloric acid is present. Chemical properties of acid chloride. First reaction, hydrolysis. Acetyl chloride undergo hydrolysis with water molecule to form a carboxylic acid or COOH and HCl. In this specific example, that means CH3COCl react with water H2O to form a acetic acid CH3COOH. This is acetic acid and hydrochloric acid is formed. Next one is a acetyl chloride reaction with alcohol to form a ethyl acetate ester CH3COCl. This is acetyl chloride react with ethyl alcohol CH3CH2OH to form a ethyl acetate ester CH3COOCH2CH3. Name of this compound is a ethyl acetate. This is acetyl chloride. Name of this compound is ethyl alcohol. Next reaction, reaction with ammonia. Acetyl chloride on treatment with ammonia to form a acid amide or COCl is a general formula for acid chloride. React with ammonia to form a acid amide or CONH2. Specific example, CH3COCl is a acetyl chloride react with ammonia NH3 to form a CH3CONH2. Name of this compound is a acetamide. NH3 is ammonia, CH3COCl is acetyl chloride. Next reaction with primary and secondary amine. Next reaction with primary and secondary amine. Acid chloride react with primary amine to form a N-alkyl amide. Example CH3 COCl acetyl chloride react with methylamine CH3 NH2 to form a N-alkyl amide. CH3 CO NH CH3 N-alkyl. General name of this compound is a N-alkyl amide. Next one is a reaction with secondary amine. Acetyl chloride CH3 CO Cl react with dimethylamine CH3 twice NH to form a N, dialkyl amide. CH3 CO N CH3 twice. General name of this compound is N, dialkyl amide. Reaction with primary and secondary amine. Acetyl chloride react with primary amine to form a N-alkyl amide, and acetyl chloride react with secondary amine to form a N, dialkyl amide. Next one is a reduction reaction. Acetyl chloride CH3 COCl is reduced with lithium aluminum nitride LiAlH4 act as a reducing agent to form a ethyl alcohol. CH3 CH2OH formation takes place. This is ethyl alcohol. Next one is a Rosamond ஒடுக்கம். Next one is a Rosamond reduction. Hydrogen acid chloride RCOCl on hydrogenation with PD bar BaSO4 aldehyde formation takes place. This reaction is called as a Rosamond reduction. RCHO. General formula for aldehyde is RCHO. Hydrogenation of acid chloride in the presence of palladium in barium sulfide to form a aldehyde. Specific example CH3COCl acetyl chloride on hydrogenation with PD bar BaSO4 PD bar BaSO4 to form a acetaldehyde CH3CHO. Name of this compound is acetaldehyde. BaSO4 act as a catalytic poison. In this reaction, BaSO4 act as a catalytic poison. Next one is a uses of acetyl chloride. It is used for acylating agent in organic synthesis, and it is used for the reduction and estimation of OH and NH2 group in organic compounds. Please like this video and share this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching this video.